Reload that. Right, so we're going to graph the panic part to XYZ. You can go there yourself and play with it. Here you've got Rogue, Ramsey. This is a new one, right? This ST. It's quite interesting to see what's going to happen there now. But they typically play Rogue, Ramsey's, Rapido. They trade in and out of the AMMs with fractions of a value. From my analysis, it seems to be more balancing the pools than anything else. These purple ones are typically, especially the big dots, are your exchanges. The bigger the dot, the bigger the XRP balance in that wallet that just made the transaction. And that over there, that purple or orange one is actually that's a teleport account, right? So it's a bridge. So that's barely flowing through that. Just let it run for a while. We'll just pause this. So while the transactions it's just spooling the transactions in the background, right? And then we'll play them when we hit the play button again. That over there is First Ledger's wallet. So when these meme tokens get created, there's transactions to create these new IMM pools, and they take a fee off that. So that's why that wallet features quite heavily in this cluster. And yeah, what we're seeing now is as this will keep playing and more transactions coming in, these exchanges are actually close to and involved with First Ledger. So if we just unpause it, so all the transactions that were spooling there now get played on top, and you'll see that this group, typically the exchanges, is now getting more and more integrated with these meme tokens, right? And that means that value is flowing from exchanges to the meme tokens, and from the meme tokens back to the exchanges, right? So yeah, that wasn't happening before, and that's happening now. What else can we go on? If I flip this for a bit, it might screw with the picture a little bit, but it's fine. It's just to show it off. You can switch it between 2D and 3D. So now it's a flat disk that is drawing everything on, right? See, there's a flat disk. And you can switch it back. It's going to put everything for the beginning. Just the longer this thing runs, the harder it is on your computer. So you can let it run for a little bit, and then that's about it. I typically get about 2,000 ledgers or so. We're already at 1,200. What you can also do is just pause it, and then once they stop moving, it lets you view things a bit faster. There you go. So now I can move around and it's not jumping everywhere. So it's recorded there 1,000, no? Yeah, no, 50 ledgers, and it's rendered about 1,300 accounts interaction. This, I'm still not sure what exactly that is. As I said, this is quite a new one, this ST. These over here, if I go, yeah, this will be a Ramirez. And where's it going to be a Rapido? Rogue, Rapido, right? And these are typically just touching all the different AMM pools and moving a small fraction of the value between them. It kind of seems like it's just keeping those things in balance. These are all the new ones getting created. And these bigger dots over here are typically going to be your exchanges. This is an exchange that's doing something very strange. I don't know why it's touching so many small wallets, but it seems to be distributing XRPL. Or XRP is going from many small wallets into that exchange. But the integration over here is quite cool to see that this meme thing is now merged into the actual exchanges. It means new participants are actually putting funds into this lot. Yeah, go play with it, see what you can do. Click around, you can click on these different things, it'll open up. So if you click on each dot, it'll open that transaction up on the Explorer. You can go view it, you can see who their account is. See that one's got 2.8 million, so that's probably an exchange. So take that same account, stick it in XRP scan, and probably come up. Why is it not going there? There we go. Max exchange, so that's an exchange, right? That big dot. You can figure it out for yourself. Click around. Yeah, go have some fun. Go and explore. Cheers.